Hey guys, I'm doing a review today of Unicron. These crotch piece fall off. It doesn't really matter as long as we have the book. Okay. Which is pretty big. You can't even see all of them on my camera. So let me just kind of adjust so you can kind of see. So that's pretty much it. For articulation, it's pretty well, honestly. So, arms full 360, pivot, elbow, back and forth, up to, wait, that should be more like it. So, elbow, a little bit backwards. So got that, head, full 360, don't quite know what that is mainly for, but when it's turned like this, it bends this way, like that, which is kind of incorrect. So you want to kind of keep it that way because it could horns. That's it for that. Full 360 on the hip, knee, full pivot on like the shin, I guess, right under the knee, foot, move up and down with a nice ratchet, foot, can't go 360, that's about it for the, articulation. Well, you can also do this, but that's not really articulation. Alright, to get him transformed, what you want to do, have these things like that on both sides. So, and now you use your helmet. There we go, helmet. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh. Like that. Then take the feet, like so. Wait, spin. No, have it like this. Spin this around like so. Connect them, and then fold them towards the knee. That's it with that. Let me just do that on the other leg real quick. I'm not gonna put you through the excruciating pain of it. If you hear buzzing in the background, that's from something else. Don't worry. My house is on fire. No, that's good. Oh wait, no, these are backwards. They're supposed to be like that. Both sides. Then take the back of him like this, and just go boop, boopity boop boop pop pop beep boop pop beep boop pop. There we go. Like seriously, motherfucker. Do the same for the other. Then make sure these little pegs here plug into these little holes over here, like a shaw. Okay. Okay. There you go. Boop, boop. Then bam. Got like planet butt. Then for the head, just go put his horns forward, which is backwards for you right now, but like this, forwards. Then just go goodbye. There. Ooh. Alright, so that's it for that. Then the arms. Come on, this is so messed up right now. I'm just kind of angle out weird. So for the arms, you want to go. We'll do that karate chop and just break down his arms like so. Make sure the little spiky parts here rotated outwards. So just few, so like that. Then take this little flap in here, open that up, ow, and then just kind of push his hand. Nope. Like that. There we go. Goes back up. God, it smells beautiful. Then just leave it like, I don't know, just cut up weirdly for now. Just leave it like that. Then head, no, put those up. Then do the same to the other arm. Break it. Broken. Yeah, Pinky so fancy. La la la. Alright. Excuse me. Take that down. Fold like a show. Fold, show. Everybody go. Go, 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 so. Na. And take his arms, just go. Boop. Like that. And take the other arm, do the same. Because there's hole, like, pegs right there, but then there's holes on this side. Cinco de Mayo. Woo, that scared me. Alright, plug them together like so. Then just fold his butt back up. That's pretty much him. I am missing a few pieces, but I did have them originally. There should be like a ring, pretty much like Jupiter. Then there's like these two parts that kind of go like that. That has like a little like pluggy thingy in the middle where you like push these in. Then it looks like it's eating something. But there's some weird gimmick going on with him. I can't really show you. Wait, I actually might be able to. So you just want to take something small, even though it came with like a little like miniature thingy. There's like this little peg in the back that you kind of have to push to get to it. So you want to push it. Then you see, wait. Then you see this opening. So if this opens all the way up, you just saw that fire out. What it is just this little like torpedo-y thingy that it's like this inside of it. Oh god. Let me get that all closed up like this. But then when it fires out, it goes like pichow and like nom. So that's that. That's pretty much that for him. Alright, see you guys in the next episode. Or not really episode, but video. But for now, peace. Bye! Nah.